Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 3:30 p.m. At 3:02 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Keensburg, or 24 miles southeast of Greeley, moving north at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hudson, Keensburg, Gilchrist, Prospect Valley, and Milton Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather. For full information.
Well, you are slow, IEM bot. Jesus.
Nominated at the Emmys this time, Shogun and the Bear.